Hey folks, CA Rachana Ranade here. Since yesterday around 10:30 at night, the entire social media was flooded with one news. And what was that? It was about the India USA trade deal. When I read about it, even I had so many things to understand, and that is the reason why I thought I should simplify this for you. So in today's video, we are going to talk about four key points. Number 1, we'll understand the nuances of this trade deal. Number 2, we'll try and understand whether India will really gain a competitive advantage or will we get a competitive edge over our peers. Number 3, we'll talk about which sectors can benefit the most, and we'll also talk about some stocks as well. And the fourth one is extremely important, which is about India and buying Russian oil. So the last point is going to be extremely important. Keep on watching the video till the end. Before we move on, I want to make an important announcement. I'm happy to announce a webinar on option selling strategy with discipline and structure. But who should enroll for this webinar? Any person who has basic knowledge about options. So for example, you should know some basic concepts like what is a call option, what is a put option, what is strike price, what is ITM, what is OTM, and this is for all those learners who want to learn about option selling with discipline. You can see all the webinar details on screen, and if you want to enroll for this, don't forget to use the coupon code BUDGET to avail an additional 500 rupees discount, and this is a limited period offer, so hurry and enroll. Link is there in the pinned comment and description box below. Let's understand the two most important highlights of this India USA trade deal. The very first one is that yes, we have reached a trade deal whereby USA has agreed to lower our tariffs to 18%. But to 18% from what? Earlier it was 50% or currently it was 50%, where 50% was split into two: 25% reciprocal tariffs and 25% penalty for importing Russian oil. Okay. Second one, India in return has said that we will reduce their tariffs and non-tariff barriers against USA to zero. Okay. Now, when I read about this, I was really keen to understand where is the official communication for this. Is there any official website where all these things are posted? We are going to talk about the source documents later in this video. But the moment this news broke on the internet, I mean, everyone was like, "Kal Nifty upar jayega." That's what happened yesterday. So many memes started to float, and I'm sure you might have checked this out. Today morning, Nifty gave a gap up of almost 1200 points. That was insane, right? But is there one more area where we did see a big relief, and that big relief was in the USD INR movement? You can see here yesterday USD INR, the rate closed at 91.2 roughly, and today the open is around 90.2. So this is almost as good as rupee strengthening by 1 rupee. So all in all, have we seen a positive impact in Nifty? Yes. Have we seen a positive impact in our USD INR movement? Yes. But India as a country, are we going to have some positive edge over our peers? That's exactly what we're going to check out in the next section of the video. Now let's understand or let's compare how much tariffs will we be charged versus our peers. Now we'll divide the peers. Let's say first we talk about other Asian markets. So if I were to compare with other Asian markets, let's say something like Thailand, Philippines, Malaysia, all are currently facing a 19% tariff, whereas we will be facing 18% tariffs. So will our products be more competitive? Yes. If I were to compare with some other countries as well, something like Indonesia, which is currently being charged 19% tariff, Vietnam 20% tariff, Bangladesh 20% tariff, China 34% tariff. Still, are we at a benefit? Yes, because we would be facing only 18% tariff. Now, if I were to compare it with some other BRICS nation, of course, I've talked about China right now, but if I were to talk about Brazil, 50%. If I were to talk about South Africa, 30%. So, in comparison with this, India is surely at a competitive advantage. Our products will be cheaper. Okay, but agreed, our products will be cheaper. Which sectors can benefit the most? That's what we're going to check out in the next section of the video. I'm on tradingeconomics.com, and here we can see data which is about India exporting to USA. Okay, now here we can understand by value totally we have exported $79.44 billion worth goods to USA. That was in the year 2024. This is a little bit older data, but still it will help us to understand which sectors export most to USA. Now you can see highest, I'm going to talk about top 5. Highest is electrical electronic equipments, with the biggest one with $12.33 billion of exports. Second one is pearl, precious stones, metal coins. Then it's pharmaceutical products. Then machinery, something like even nuclear reactors, boilers, and end we have. I mean, the fifth one is that mineral fuels, oils, distillation products. Okay, again, mineral fuel, oils, and distillation products. You might be like, Rachna, why are you emphasizing so much on oil and all? You'll get to know about it in some time. Okay, but now that you have understood so much about which sectors will really benefit out of this, I'm sure today you might have seen so many stocks which really hit an upper circuit. Some hit an upper circuit of 10%, some with 20% as well. In fact, I saw this pattern, which is so something like this: a stock was at this level and then it was going down and down, clear cut downward trend, and then we call this as a downward sloping trend line, and then we saw a nice green candle today with good volumes as well. So which stocks is not what I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you four examples, and you have to tell me which stock did not see such a chart pattern. Okay, you have to check daily basis. First one, check out for Garware High Tech Films. Second one, check out for Vari Energies. Third one, check out for Welspun Corporation. Fourth one, check out for Goldium International. By the way, all these stocks are performing amazingly today. Garware was at 20% upper circuit. Vari was 14% up when I checked some time ago. Welspun was up by more than 8%. Goldium again 20% upper circuit. So you have to tell me in the comment section which out of these four does not follow the downward sloping trend line breakout pattern. Now we come to the most important part of today's video. Has India USA trade deal been actually signed overnight? I don't think so. If you have seen my video on India EU trade deal, I have given the entire timeline. How much time does it take for an entire trade deal to actually sign off? Have we agreed upon certain things? Yes, is what we come to know based on official documents. But you know what is the source document? Source document is Trump's I don't know whether I should call this as a tweet or what Trump has said on his platform Truth. Okay, now what does he say? Okay, it was an honor to speak with Mr. Modi ji and everything. Okay, now comes the important point. He mentions he agreed to stop buying Russian oil to buy more from United States and potentially Venezuela. This will help end the war in Ukraine, which is taking place right now with thousands of people dying each and every week. So this is the point that he has very clearly mentioned, that he agreed to stop buying Russian oil. Now, when Mr. Trump says that, of course, we will verify it, right? Now, let's check what what our Prime Minister has written on social media. He mentions, wonderful to speak with my dear friend President Trump today. Delighted that made in India products will now have a reduced tariff of 18%. So he has very clearly mentioned that, okay, tariff is going to reduce to 18%. Agreed. Big thanks to President Trump on behalf of 1.4 billion people. Okay. When two large economies and world's largest democracies work together, it benefits our people, unlocks immense opportunities for mutually beneficial cooperation. Fantastic. President Trump's leadership is vital for global peace, stability, and prosperity. India fully supports his effort. I look forward to working closely with him to take our partnership to unprecedented heights. Okay. Where is the commitment about not buying Russian oil? At least it is not there in this tweet. Then I thought, like we have PIB, is there any official website? So there is an official website which is newsonair.gov.in. Now here also, because it's an official website, it says PM Narendra Modi announces Made in India products will now have reduced US tariffs of 18%. Okay, fair enough. Now even if you pause the screen and read this, again nowhere the mention is there about India not buying Russian oil, India stopping to buy Russian oil. And you want to see some headline? This is Reuters. This says US to cut tariffs on India to 18%. India agrees to end Russian oil purchase. They may have access to exclusive information. Whatever is available on the internet, nowhere have we really said out and out that we will stop buying Russian oil. Now let us also understand one more important, when I was going through a lot of news articles, see what do we see here? This is Hindustan Times article, and here the heading is India US trade deal live update. Okay, India unlikely to seize all Russian oil purchases, says Moody's. Again, a big organization, right? So now here comes the important point, right? This entire tariff discussion focuses on how from 50% we are now going to be facing only 18% tariffs. Out of 50, the split was 25-25, which I told you in the beginning of the video. The 25% was about we buying from Russia. And when we checked Modi ji's tweet, when we checked the GOV website, news.gov wala, newsonair.gov.in, nowhere it is mentioned that we have officially mentioned that we will stop buying Russian oil. What do you think can happen in the future? Of course, markets have cheered, rupee has strengthened, everyone is happy, so am I, why not? But the question remains whether we will really stop buying Russian oil or not. Because if we don't stop, question is, can Mr. Trump take a U-turn or not? I want you all to tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. I hope you found a lot of value in today's video. Again, let me reiterate, this is my honest effort to tell you about the geopolitical happenings that are going on right now. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye-bye. You might have come across such advertisements on various social media platforms. Please note, all of these are fraudsters promising unbelievable returns through stock tips. I don't provide any calls or advisory services. I provide only educational content through my social media handles and through my website rachanaranade.com and rachanaranade.in.